Hi everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can repost videos on TikTok. So nowadays, TikTok has launched a new feature where you can repost videos by other accounts on your profile or on your page. And this is like the new feature with Instagram where you can repost other Instagram posts. So if you want to learn more, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on this video. So let's get started. So first you open your TikTok app, and let's say you want to repost this video. You will click on the share button over here on the right. You'll click on that, and then you'll click on this repost button in yellow. So click this repost button in yellow on the top, and then you click on this repost and just share your thoughts. Just say, I'm just going to say anything, and then click on add. Reposted that video, and that's it. And it will be seen on your followers page, that the video that you reposted. So it's that easy. I hope this video is of help. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. Thanks for watching.